Hey there, welcome everyone to CryptoReality. Please be advised that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything I'm gonna say here is based on the reading of the chart. So please remember, I'm not trying to tell you to buy or sell anything in here. This is for educational purposes only. Not trying to create fear or hype in this video. I just wanted you to show the possible outcome on how the chart reacts. So now let's dive in. This is SUI USDT daily time frame. As you can see here, this one is one crypto that I've been looking right now because maybe the bottom is near. Look at this one. Maybe we're gonna create some bullish divergence in here. I do believe that we can still drop in this region area right here, right, before going up, and the RSI will eventually create this bullish divergence. Okay, that's my idea for SUI right here. And for this is your RSI indicator, just like we've done in the past. Look at these yellow circles that I made. Every time we made it, we pump hard. Okay, that's what I am thinking here. Also, look at this indicator right here. Let's gonna use this stochastic RSI right here. Okay, I want you to look at this multiple times. Okay, look at this starting from here. Let's go on a weekly time frame so you can see what I saw. Okay, look at this stochastic RSI right here. Okay, look how it coincides with the pump and what we're doing right now. Look at this one. It creates a double bottom right before it blasts off. Aligns with this one, right? Also this one. Okay, look what we've done in here. A double bottom before we blast off to the upside. Look what happened here, and look where we are right now. So looking at this stochastic RSI, it's crossed. Maybe we're gonna create some double bottom in here, just like that, and this one is gonna come down before going up, just like that, and also create this double bottom right before the blast off to the upside. That's what I'm thinking right here for SUI. Okay, so I do think that we can still drop here at 1.22 level area, which will have this beautiful support area right here, like that one. Okay, you have a nice resistance in here, a nice support in here. Okay, maybe a little support here. Okay, a breakout candle here. So maybe this one is the best region of support, the 1.2 level area for SUI before the blast off the upside. So what do I expect for the upside is, of course, the first target. We have resistance in this EMAs right here. Okay, we are near crossing here the 20 EMA to the 100 EMA. We're gonna cross. This is your weekly time frame also. Okay, so we can be stopped there because we have some major resistance in here, the previous supports, right around your $2 mark. So let's see how it plays out for SUI. So that's my idea in here. Looking back to your US dollar dominance here. Okay, as you can see here, it may continue to go up while your RSI is not. So it will create some bearish divergence, I guess. So if this US dollar dominance will continue to go up, for example, we do this, right? Okay, for example, we do this, so we have some higher high on your chart and your lower high in your RSI. That's bearish divergence before we going to go down. Okay, that's my idea still here for US dollar dominance. Okay, just look at your weekly time frame. You all see greens. Going to your monthly, pure green. All right, all green candles right here. What if we close it like that like this, and your January monthly candle will close like a gravestone doji, like that. Okay, so we can come back down. So maybe the bull market will continue. Okay, on the other hand, if we can see some drop here on your January, but of course a nice rebound back up, then the bear market continues. Because so watch for those levels on your US dollar dominance here. Because maybe I guess we are in the overbought territory. Okay, this is looking back in shorter time frame. We managed to come back up in this trend line. This support trend line, as you can see here, we have multiple touches there, right? Since the beginning of it. So maybe we can still have some pumps here, short term, before we have another dump. Quick update on XRP US dollar. Right here, this is a weekly time frame. Okay, looking at this. Last week we hold this 100 EMA. The question is, the next couple weeks, will it hold or the 1.4 still coming? So watch those levels, don't get too excited, don't get hype, okay? So maybe we're gonna hold this and then eventually make some major move to the upside that will make everyone get trapped. If, for example, we won't get this and we try to come back up even to 2.9, 2.6 to 2.9 level, and everyone's gonna get excited, but we're gonna get dumped, right? I've been talking this to you in the past that XRP loves this crown pattern right here. So maybe we're gonna create this right crown or your right shoulder. Either way, I don't know. As long as we're not clear in the previous resistance, then we can say that we can expect a new all-time highs. Also on your Bitcoin, of course, I'm still hoping that Bitcoin will surpass this 104,000. So maybe we can create some down pump here and everyone's gonna be bullish, but eventually we're gonna come back down. Okay, so that's what I see will happen in the next couple of weeks, months, I don't know. Because maybe this head and shoulders won't stop, cannot be stopped as long as we're not clear on this level. We can see some new all-time highs for Bitcoin. Okay, so we have to prepare for that, because I still do think that maybe we can see some sort of like this if we want to see some massive move to the upside, just like we did in the past, right? Just like what we did in the past. So we have to hold the line. So until then, this bear flag still play, because looking in your daily, we are bouncing below this previous trend line right here. So you can see that, you see that, guys? Okay, measuring move to this bear flag, and now you got rejected there. Expect the 64,000 as your maximum pain for this bear flag, or maybe we can be stopped by here at 77,000 because of this ascending triangle breakout to the downside. So maybe if we can hold this line, okay, we can create this lower low and your RSI, should I say, like this one. We're gonna create some bullish divergence in here. Okay, we can just hold this line and this one will happen. Okay, then that's a bullish divergence, then we can expect the pump. But yes, of course, the top of my own opinion is still the 104,000 US dollar for Bitcoin. Why? Because that's where the EMAs were aligned, right? So if you learned something here, please do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me. Always do your own research, stay focused, don't put all your money that you can afford to lose, just because everything can happen in this crypto market space. Okay, always stay healthy, stay strong, focus, plan your trades. Always do your own research. Don't listen to me, don't listen to other people. It's your own money, it's your own risk. Okay, God bless and bye bye. Happy holidays.